Traffico, real review. I'm going to take a look at the sales page. I'm also going to show you inside of the Traffico members area, show you the training, talk a little bit about the strategy that the training gives you, as well as show you inside of the software that they demo here in this video. That you can see right here, here's the dashboard. We're definitely going to take a look inside of this and how it works. But let's go back, and of course there's the 50% off coupon code here, so if you buy it, make sure you exit off the screen to get that coupon code. But let's just talk about the sales page a little bit. A secret the gurus don't want you to know. Case study shows how I exploit an unknown loophole by clicking a secret link to unlock hidden content, new software. Focusing on that, new software generates buyer traffic in 30 minutes or less. 100% free traffic, runs on autopilot, siphons free traffic from one of the world's largest websites. The sales page doesn't actually tell you which website that is. You can probably guess, but we'll go ahead and we'll cover that as well. 100% legal. I'm not sure why they need to use a bullet telling you that the thing that they're selling you is 100% legal, but they put it in the bullet, so now you know that this is not illegal to do. Brand new method, newbie friendly, massive potential, start earning as early as today. As we walk through the training in the members area, we'll talk about each one of those. First, Traffico welcome video. You play this. This is 1 minute and 20 seconds. It introduces you to the method, and I'm going to tell you what the method is. The method is posting to Facebook. Posting to your Facebook profile and going into groups and posting in Facebook groups. As you can see here, there is a video on how to set up your profile. And I don't disagree with anything that is said in this training, but it is simply using your Facebook profile, going out, friending people that are in the similar niche that you're in, and then utilizing that to make posts, follow up with messages. Making a Facebook cover in Canva. Here's a 7-minute video where they walk you through how to use Canva. And then at about the 5-minute mark, they remind you that if you can't create a nice cover, go to Fiverr. Making a Facebook post. Here's where the meat of the training is, 14 minutes, where Frankie walks you through making posts on your Facebook profile and in Facebook groups that are in your niche. He walks you through how to make a post, how to respond to those posts, how to respond inside of Messenger to those posts, and then he moves on to how to make money. And again, this is a 21-minute video. This is basically the same thing that was said in the 14-minute video, just a little longer version. Somewhere in here, I'm assuming this 14-minute video and the 21-minute video is supposed to be the case study. They don't actually show you how this works. Now in this 21-minute video of how to make money, he actually reminds you that this isn't going to happen overnight, that you have to be consistent, that you have to show up every day, that you have to post to your Facebook profile, you have to friend people, you have to go to the groups, you have to make these posts. Also that you should build a squeeze page and connect that to an autoresponder and start building an email list. Again, it's never shown in here how to do that. It's just mentioned that this is what you need to do to be successful. Then you come down to the software demo, and you have about a 6-minute video here that walks you through the software demo. I want to highlight this Shortify app demo. This is a different product. This product right here was actually launched a while back called Shortify. This is a different product. This was a product that shows you how to download videos from YouTube and post them on TikTok. Again, this app here, you can see the app login. If you go down here, videoprofits.online, down there in the left-hand corner, you can see that is the link to the software that they're giving you inside of Shortify. When you go back to the Traffico members area to log into the app, click here, look here in the left-hand corner. Again, videoprofits.online. It's the same software in Traffico that is in Shortify. The reason I bring that up is because inside of Traffico here in the headline, it talks about a new software that generates buyer traffic in 30 minutes or less. This is not a new software, it's a software that they gave you inside of Shortify. Anyway, here's what the software is. You go in the dashboard and you simply go start here. You type in a keyword, how to make money online. You click find video. Search will take up to 2 minutes. Please don't refresh page. I'm probably going to pause that while that's running so you don't have to sit here and watch this little graphic for 2 minutes. We're back. It didn't take 2 minutes, but here's what you do. What this does, it goes and it finds YouTube videos, and at that point, In the training video, it reminds you that to make sure that these are licensed as Creative Commons videos. If you're not sure what Creative Commons is, make sure that you Google Creative Commons and explore these different licenses to understand that if someone labels their video on YouTube as Creative Commons, as you'll be able to see here, if you go to YouTube and type how to make money online inside of the search, what you can do is you can come here to filters. And then once you click on filters, you can look at different features, and one of those features is Creative Commons. If you select Creative Commons, it's going to show you all videos that have been labeled as Creative Commons and allows you to use them. But again, just because it's been labeled Creative Commons doesn't necessarily mean that that is the actual license that you get with this video. So make sure that you understand what Creative Commons is before you start sharing these videos. But again, you could do this right here inside of YouTube. But this software tool they're giving you allows you to click this edit this button and brings up an editor where you will be able to open it up and then trim and edit. So at this point you have the video, you click trim and upload. This does take a bit. I'm sitting here waiting for this. I'll probably pause this. Actually, I will pause this and wait for this to load up. Go ahead and resume. You can still see it's loading. I'll go ahead and go to Google, do time and date, 7:06. You can see Tuesday, August 3rd, the day of the launch of this product. Okay, you can see here the dashboard is loaded. There we go. Here you have the video. It's actually playing in the background. You can't turn it off or you can't pause it while you're editing this. So you can see that it puts the video here in the canvas. And then what you do is you click add text. And you can see here that you have some text, a text box. You can make this bigger. And then you can change this text here. And then you have the ability to change the color of the text. So for example, you could change the background color, the font size. Here you can change the color of the text, so you can make the text green. You can also change the font right here. So as you can see, this does work. You could also add custom GIFs and images. You would need to upload those here though. There's no way to search like a repository of images or GIFs. So there you go. You would add that text and then you would save that video. And then you can see here, please wait, it will take 20 to 30 minutes to render this video. Then after that video is rendered, what you can do here is you can click on this video right here to preview it. And then here's the video that you've created. And then you could share that link. And then this purple button takes you back to the editor. So that's the option that you get right there. Here you get a link to the video. Then of course, when you have this video, you could download this video and then you could share this video on your Facebook profile. That is how the software is supposed to work in this program. And then of course here under the video suite, you have the list of videos that we're looking at right here. Again, you can see this video is rendering. Please wait, it will take 20 to 30 minutes to render this video. Again, that's the same software that they gave you here inside of Shortify. If you scroll down, you'll see the Shortify video here. And if you scroll down, you'll see the software demo video, Shortify training videos, software demo right here. This is the video. If you scroll down inside of Traffico, it is at the bottom of this training that you purchased, where it's a 6-minute video. It's the same video if I was to reload this. You can see the cat right there and Dan here giving you the walkthrough of the training that I just showed you inside of the demo software that I had a link to right here, videoprofits.online. So Traffico, a secret the gurus don't want you to know. Case study shows how I exploit an unknown loophole. By clicking a secret link to unlock hidden content, new software generates buyer traffic in 30 minutes or less. I'm assuming the new software that generates buyer traffic in 30 minutes or less is the fact that it takes 20 to 30 minutes to render the video. After that, they have the bullets here, 100% free traffic. Yes, Facebook traffic is 100% free, minus the time that you spend on the strategy, which again, I don't disagree with the strategy. Using your Facebook profile, nothing wrong with that. A lot of people do it. I even post to my Facebook profile. Runs on autopilot, not sure what that means. Siphon free traffic from one of the world's largest websites. Again, that's Facebook. Goes back to this 100% legal. Not sure why they need to tell you that the thing they're selling you is 100% legal versus it being illegal. Brand new method, definitely not. Start earning as early as today. This will take time, it will take consistency over time, and Frankie mentions that in this training video. Nothing wrong with the Facebook strategy. The software is not new, it's the same software that they promoted and gave you in Shortify. to download YouTube Creative Commons videos that they uploaded to TikTok and Shortify, and now they're telling you to upload them to Facebook. Traffico, I would say skip it unless you don't know anything about using your Facebook profile to generate traffic. Then you might get something from the 14-minute video and the 21-minute video that talk about the strategy. But I would just say save your money. If this video was helpful, thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here in the middle of the screen. Also check out the video on the screen for more content like this to talk about these types of products, these types of strategies, whether they work or not, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.